Hey, I'm James, Master Instructor at the Dean King Training Institute here in California. With me, I've got Nick. Now, Nick just got through with the total recon process. He's been here for a total of 4 weeks, correct?
Yes.
Now, Nick, what do you do right now? Before you came here, what were you doing?
I drove tractor trailer for 11 years for the same company, and it just got to the point where I wasn't happy. Didn't really have any home life with my wife. So I felt it was time for a change. I went to the VA. They have a vocational voc rehab program, and they sent me here. I had to go through a process, which Cher was instrumental on this end, because I would call it 2 to 3 times a day, and she was just above and beyond, to make sure everything worked out. So, and they sent me here, and I got the approval, and I came out.
Good. Now, over the past 4 weeks, you've went through our dent repair class. You did wheel restoration, interior repair, windshield chip repair, headlight restoration, odor removal, and is that it? Am I missing anything? I think that's it.
Paint? Did you say paint?
And paint, smart paint repair also. Now, of all of the systems, what would you say was the most difficult? I know the answer.
Paintless dent repair.
And it's not something that's just, obviously like we talked and, talking with all the other students here in class, it's not just something that's just difficult to pick up for you. It's just difficult, period, right?
Yes. Some of the other systems he mentioned, you follow step 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you're going to come out with a good product. Paintless dent repair is more like an art form, the feel of it. The first couple days I struggled because I have glasses. I didn't wear them to begin with, but everything just kind of looked the same. I put them on, get a little bit better, and I'm still struggling a little bit. So, that's a vision issue, which I'll probably check out when I get home. But it's just practice. No dent is the same, so you can't just follow steps 1, 2, 3 and come out good. It's more of the feel of it. So that's just something I have to keep practicing.
Now, real quick, I know you've told me, but tell the people who are watching this. Hopefully, people watch these videos. Tell the people back home that are watching what are your plans with this? Now that you've got all of these new systems here, because this isn't something that you actually had as a business before, correct?
I had an idea for a business. Mobile detailing and auto reconditioning, so I would go to people's residence or place of work and detail their automobile or any appearance, automotive appearance issues. They may have dents, cracked windshields, scuffed up rim, wheels. You see a lot of that. I'd be able to go and fix all that, take an hour or two, and that would all be done, while they're working or while they're at their home, because a lot of people are work these days long hours, so their automobiles probably don't really get the care that they necessarily would need. So I would fill that
whatever they needed,
whatever
system or service they needed to be done. Now, for somebody in your place who's never done paint and repair before or paint or anything like that, what would you say to guys that are looking to come through here, or they're going to maybe start, or thinking about it? What piece of advice would you give them if you can just tell them like one thing? What would you say?
I mean, talk to these guys. They'll answer any questions you got. If you're in the area, come check them out for a free tour. They show you around. We had a couple people in the area come check it out while I was here, and they'll show you anything. What you see on camera is what you get. It's been a good experience.
Now, for those of you guys that are watching, you haven't spent the past 4 weeks with Nick and myself and all the rest of the students. This is a different side to Nick right now. He's very quiet. Nick has made this class very, very interesting in a good way. I am definitely going to miss you when you get back home, when you're not here on Monday. But good luck to you in your future journeys and what you're doing with this business. It's been great. I know you're going to do good at this, dude. So But for those of you guys out there, the Dean King has just recently been approved to accept the post 9/11 GI Bill and offer training through the VA. So if you have any questions on that, feel free to reach out to us. You can look us up at thedeanking.com. Give us a call at 1-800-304-3464. Look us up on any one of our social media platforms, whether it be Facebook, the Dean King Training Institute, Instagram, the official Dean King page, or our YouTube channel. And again, Nick, good luck to you, dude.
Thank you.
It's been nice meeting you. And you guys out there, make sure you check back soon. If you have any questions on tools, any catalogs, pricing, anything like that, or you just want to say hi, past students, drop us a line. We'll see you guys soon.